Hi students, this is Professor Golding and I just wanted to make a short video to show you how to access my feedback on your discussion boards and also on other assignments through MyGrades. Now, if you look on the screen here, this should look a lot like the screen that you see. It should be identical to the screen that you see when you pull up our course on Blackboard. Now you'll see over here on the left-hand menu, there's a tab for MyGrades. If you click on MyGrades, then a screen should open up where you have a list of all the assignments that you've handed in so far this semester, as well as a weighted total, which is probably the main total that you'll want to look at the end of the semester, as well as just the total points earned, which is probably what you'll want to look at now at the beginning of the semester as you're just starting to complete some activities. So a couple of students asked me, how do I view my feedback on the discussion boards? And I want to show you how to do that. What you want to do is you want to go to the specific assignment that you just completed that you want to look at, you want to read my feedback on. So that would be discussion question 1, and you just click on the title of it, and then you get this screen. And you should see over here on the left in this part the discussion question that you just recently completed. Now, this is the discussion question response that I completed as a test student. Obviously, yours is going to look a little bit different. Not only will your response be a lot more detailed, but you'll also have 2 other entries here that are your responses to other students. So you'll have your work over here, and then over here you'll see your grade. And you can see here the total points earned out of 10. As a test student, I did not do very well, as well as my general comments or feedback to the learner. So here I said, test student, you have some work to do. Please view the rubric carefully so you can better meet its requirements next time. So this is the part of the feedback that some of you may not know exactly how to access, but it's fairly simple. You just go and click on the little rubric icon here, and the rubric should open up. Now I think the default view is the grid view, which I don't think works very well because it goes all the way over here to the right and you can't even see all of it. So I would click on list view. Okay, and list view gives you kind of just the basic requirements of the rubric, especially now at the beginning of the semester. I go over to show descriptions so you can see the rubric in a little bit more detail. And then take some time to review my check marks. So here demonstrates careful reading and critical thinking. I gave test student below expectations because it suggests the reading assignment was not read carefully or not completed, or maybe it just rehashes other students' ideas. Then you'll go down to the next category, responsibly cited. I guess I said the test student met expectations, so I probably got about a point. So I had a few textual examples. The textual examples are sort of predictable or generalized, and they're mostly well integrated into my response. Now, obviously, as a test student, I didn't do that, but just to kind of show you how this works, that's what I clicked. Quality of the prose. Now, this section right here is worth 2 points, so you can get either 0 points if there's multiple errors in spelling, grammar, vocabulary, or format. Meets expectations. If you just have a couple of minor errors, I'll definitely give you at least 1 point. And if the post is really well written, it's clear and articulate, if there are really no errors, then I would give the post 2 full points. Engagement with others is the next category here that's worth 2 points again. As the test student, I got below expectations. because I did not even interact with others at all. So you see here that just by carefully reviewing the rubric, you can actually get a lot of feedback on your discussion post and see where you need to work on your post for next time. And then I also sometimes include feedback here as well. So some end comments here on the rubric, as well as feedback over here on the main view. So that's it. That's how to view the rubric with my feedback on the rubric in My Grades. Please definitely let me know if you have any questions about that process.